This is completely astounding. The discovery of a previously unknown Shiba Inu pattern heralds a major step closer to 1 penny. Experts are no longer making predictions. There will be no slowing down for nearly 100 trillion Shiba Inus anytime soon. Why is this taking place? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Allow me to clarify. Important notice. I recently came upon a site called MemePro, but before we get into that, there is another platform, formed in 2025 by traders from a private community that focuses on trading fan tokens and memes. Using cutting-edge AI-driven trading bots designed for meme coin markets, MemePro is a trailblazing platform that promises users will gain access to cutting-edge tech and valuable insights into the ever-changing crypto landscape. I find that to be an intriguing argument. It is a proprietary trading firm registered in the United Kingdom, as stated on their website. The site boasts that MemePro is multilingual and has an intuitive interface. Choose your country's flag in the bottom right corner of the homepage to change the language. It appears that signing up is not too complicated. You only need to fill up a few simple fields. There are 2 primary investment programs that are displayed once you log in. One option is the basic plan, which provides 11% after the first day. The elite plan, on the other hand, promises a return of 120% after only 1 day. In addition, the site has a calculator that, given certain information, may predict possible returns. It seems like putting money in is easy. Just input the amount, confirm, and pick a payment method. Users need to enter a withdrawal address in their account settings prior to requesting a withdrawal, according to the website. Withdrawals will not be handled unless you do this. To test the functionality, let's pretend a person withdraws 200. Very well done. The money got to the wallet without a hitch within 1 minute. Rather than offering financial advice, their website features what appears to be its MemePro AI trading bot making live trades. Additionally, it is highly recommended that you conduct your own study. However, that is undeniably intriguing. Always play it safe and invest just the amount you can afford to lose while dealing with cryptocurrency. Feel free to peruse MemePro's offerings if you're interested in giving it a try. Below this description you will find all the relevant links. Having said that, the video has to be resumed. An important development may have occurred today that will have far-reaching consequences for Shiba Inu. Somewhere a hidden pattern has been taking shape, says one analyst. Although it has only been noticed by a select few, this finding may be a watershed moment for Shiba Inu. I mean, that's a major deal all by itself. Hold just a second. Something even more monumental is occurring at this very now. The legitimacy of Shiba Inu tokens worth trillions of dollars have been cast into doubt today. That kind of motion isn't haphazard. Perhaps it is the peaceful period before a storm rather than a bad one. The optimistic type. The whales seem to be preparing for a major event. And if we learn anything from the past, it is that something explosive usually happens when this much volume and energy starts stirring. You may be asking at this point whether the data is really visible on the graph. After doing extensive research, one analyst revealed some fascinating findings. The Shiba Inu is currently idling in a semicircle, content to do nothing. A small decline has occurred, but there is no cause for alarm. Above its critical support zone, it has actually been maintaining a good position. The fascinating part, though, is about to begin. Right now, Shiba Inu is sitting on this important level. Furthermore, experts are referring to a successful break beyond that level as a bullseye breakout. That would pave the way for a strong push, perhaps even a sprint to its next major milestone. The timing is perfect, especially because the enthusiasm surrounding meme coins is beginning to build again. So don't be misled by its seemingly peaceful appearance. When hidden patterns are exposed and trillions are in action, this is the exact scenario that sets the stage for such unexpected rallies. Shiba Inu's ability to push a little bit further is currently under intense scrutiny. A breakthrough might set off a chain reaction. This may mark the beginning of a significant development. Seeing a major development may not even require much time to pass. A hidden pattern in Shiba Inu's chart has just been discovered, says one expert. Something big may be on the way, and this may be the sign. Allow me to explain. Shiba Inus are subtly forming a pattern that, although not necessarily negative, does suggest a potential reversal. Rather, it's more like catching your breath before you go on a run. Symbols of a golden cross are appearing in the graph. Technical pattern followers in trading know that this is a very positive indicator. What's going on is that a crucial trend line is gradually rising and is about to surpass a longer-term trend line. People pay close attention whenever this crossover occurs, particularly on the hourly chart. It signals to traders the possibility of a change in momentum and the possibility of bulls being ready to make a move. Shiba Inu has been becoming stronger for the past several days. With increased trading activity, the price has recovered from a previous support level and is currently positioned just below an important breakthrough zone. Additionally, the Relative Strength Index (RSI), a momentum indicator, has gotten very near to the critical level where bulls often begin to feel more confident. It's a good indicator. Staying grounded is key, even though this scenario appears bullish in the short run. Shiba Inu continues to be trapped in a wider decline on the larger daily chart. So despite the positive signs, this recovery could be temporary unless there is strong buying pressure that drives the price far beyond the upper resistance zone. Regardless of how fleeting it may be, when traders begin to pile in before the crowd, these golden cross setups often result in big rallies, and perhaps even short squeezes. If you're hoping to catch a rapid breakthrough or a solid retracement towards the following resistance levels, this might be your window of opportunity. Things are getting hot, but it's not a full-blown bull run just yet. It is possible that Shiba Inu is preparing for its next thrilling move as this golden cross forms and momentum is leaning bullish. Then there's this wild thing. New on-chain data has recently been released, and people are taking notice. Almost 100 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are reportedly in the money at the moment, indicating that investors who purchased them at a discount are now enjoying a profit, as reported by Into the Block. That is significant. Shiba Inus are now worth more over $1 billion at today's valuation, thanks to their recent recovery. The magnitude of that is immense. This comeback is serious business. Last week, when the cryptocurrency market as a whole was in a sell-off, Shiba Inu fell below the 100 trillion threshold. Large inflows from significant holders quickly dried up, traders were on edge, and whales began to retreat. Things appeared to be calming down, but now what? Opinions on that matter are changing fast. The fact that Shiba Inu has managed to recover and turn a tidy profit on this large portion of tokens suggests that accumulation may be occurring under the radar once again. Also, this type of arrangement? This rarely occurs unless investors are anticipating a major development soon. Then what is it that might be? If this upward trend in momentum continues, more whales return, and buying pressure remains strong, it's not out of the question that Shiba Inu could eventually achieve its cent ambition. Even if it's still far off, this kind of information is encouraging. It shows that many holders are currently in a good position. We may soon witness more robust rallies if the enthusiasm continues to build. Take a look. There have been meme coins that caught everyone off guard in the past, but Shiba Inu has consistently stood out due to its large and engaged community. Also, its environment is seeing a great deal of change. As a result, more than 100 trillion tokens might be sitting in profit if the charts start to turn bullish and whales start to wake up. The possibility that the path to 1 cent is about to be paved is not completely out of the question. Can I be certain of it? For the time being, it's only conjecture, but things are beginning to fall into place. That faraway goal may not seem so far away if this momentum continues. That 1 cent goal isn't just a pipe dream, and here's another reason why. This is due to the fact that Shiba Inus are uniquely built. The Shiba Inu group explained everything in a recent tweet. Unlike previous meme coins, this one actually gained traction before eventually fading away. No, this game was altered by Shiba Inus. It defied all expectations for the launch and development of a cryptocurrency project. Because the Shiba Inu community was its only source of support during its meteoric rise, rather than large investors, venture funds, or flashy tech pitches. This whole thing started at the grassroots level. There was a